Welcome back to the podcast, your guide to living in another country. Today, we're discussing what to plan before packing day for a move Orange County to Italy. Packing day is not just the day boxes get filled. It's the handoff between your home and an international logistics process. A little preparation can reduce stress and help the shipment move forward in a more organized way. First, confirm what is shipping. Walk through the home and separate items into 3 groups: what travels with you, what stays behind, and what ships to Italy. This is essentially important for passports, medications, essential records, jewelry, and personal valuables that you are carrying yourself. Next, make sure the survey reflects the actual shipment. If major furniture, artwork, musical instruments, or specialty items have changed since the survey, flag them early. These changes can affect packing requirements, volume, and the freight plan. For a full household, Sea Freight is often the right fit. For smaller moves, a shared container option may be worth considering. Air freight can be useful for a small group of urgent necessities. The right choice is based on what you need during the first weeks in Italy, not simply on the fastest transport method. Your inventory should be accurate and understandable. It supports professional packing, customs review, insurance decisions, and final delivery. Identify higher value pieces and fragile items before packing day so the crew can use suitable materials and custom crating where needed. Italy's customs process requires early attention to documents. Requirements can depend on resident status, ownership, and use of the goods and timing. Do not rely on last-minute internet advice. Review the paperwork requirements with your moving coordinator early enough to obtain supporting documents. Finally, plan your destination delivery. Confirm the final address, building access, stairs, elevators, parking, local street conditions, and any delivery limitations. A shipment arriving at a destination port is not the end of the move. Delivery into your residence is the finish line. Before packing day, create clarity. Knowing what is shipping, protect essential travel items, update the survey, prepare documents, and confirm delivery access. SDC International Shipping coordinates Orange County outboard household goods relocations to Italy and worldwide. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com.